The Wolf and the Crane. One day, a wolf was eating the flesh of an animal it had killed. A little bunny got stuck in his throat, and he was unable to swallow it. He soon felt a severe pain in his throat and reduced up and down, trying to find a way to ease it. He begged everyone he saw to help him. Finally, the wolf came face to face to the crane. "Crane, please help me," the wolf pleaded. "I'll give you exactly what you want." The crane agreed and gave it a shot and instructed the wolf to lay down on its side with its jaw spread as wide as it could. The crane then inserted its long neck into the wolf's throat and pulled out the bone. The crane then requested its reward. "Be joyful," the wolf added, grinning and showing his teeth. "You have entrusted your head into a wolf's mouth and then taken it back out safely." Moral: kindness and greed cannot go hand in hand. Thanks for watching my videos. For more videos, please subscribe my channel NW Kids Network. And don't forget to like and share my videos. Thank you.